Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. How are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your schoolmates and teachers. But no problem, class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online class and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I'm going to conduct an English grammar class and it will be the revision class. Fine. Let's come to the date. Today the date is 15th January 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay, grade 5, we have done tenses, fine. We have done present indefinite tense and future tense, fine. Today we'll focus on past tense. What are past tense? We'll come to know what are past tense and what are the uses of past tense, and we'll go for the structures of affirmative, negative, interrogative sentences. Okay, now see. What are the uses of past tense? You should know, you should have this thing in your mind when you are making the sentence of past indefinite tense. You should know when we use it. Fine. Past tense, simple past tense or past indefinite tense is used when the action that was, like when you are going to discuss about the action that was completed in the past. यानी कोई भी काम पास्ट में फिनिश हो चुका हो, ठीक है, एंड द टाइम लिमिट इज मोस्टली mentioned in the sentences. You can see here time expressions frequently used with the simple past. Fine. For example, these are the keywords: yesterday, last time, last night, last day. ठीक है ना. Past dates can be there. It can be in the form of last month. ठीक है. Or the year can be there as it is written 1990. Fine. 2 days ago, 5 days ago, 5 days back. ठीक है. 3 months ago. This like this. Fine. So when the action is wholly completed and the time is mentioned with that we will have to use past indefinite tense. You can see here Tom went fishing last week. ठीक है. Tom गया था, the action is over. Last week shows the action is wholly done and the time is mentioned. ठीक है. I worked until 2 p.m. yesterday. So the time is like the work is over. You say I worked. आपने काम किया था. ठीक है. Until 2 p.m. So the time कब तक किया था? 2 p.m. तक. Yesterday. So the keyword over here is yesterday. My family came to visit me last year. Fine. कब like action is over. ठीक है. Last year आई थी. So the action is wholly over and last year shows the time is done. ठीक है ना. It shows the timings. Okay, class. Always remember this is the chart of affirmative and negative sentences. You can see with every subject, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, whether the subject is singular, plural, you will have to use verb with second form and then the object comes. Fine. And when you are going to make the negative sentences, what will be there? You have, like with every subject, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, you just have to add helping verb here. Did not will be used and then the second form of verb will be changed into first form of verb. Play will be there and then object. Okay. For example, you can see I, you, we, they, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Along with all the subjects, we have used just second form of verb, played, and then tennis. Okay. Tennis in as object. I played tennis. Fine. Now when you are going to change them into negative sentences with every subject, whether that is singular, plural, you just have to use did not and then verb with first form will be there, because did not and did is the second form of verb. With did, we never use second form of verb. We have to use one times first form of verb. Okay. I didn't play tennis, like this. Okay, class, is that clear to you? Like whenever you want to make whenever the action is totally over and the time limit is there, then you have to use past indefinite tense, past simple tense. Now here are a list of some sentences are here. What you people have to do, you have to change them into negative sentences. ठीक है ना? But you don't have to attempt it in any worksheet or any notebook. You just have to attempt it in your mind. First one has been done for you. You can see here he went to school yesterday. Now you can see here he is the subject. After subject we have used singular subject के बाद ही हमने second form of verb use की है. To school is an object and yesterday is a keyword. Yesterday shows the timings that the work is wholly over. So when you're going to change it, you will write like this: he did not or didn't go to school yesterday. ठीक है ना? ही के बाद सब्जेक्ट के बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब लग जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द चार्ट. यू कैन सी. ठीक है. एंड देन वर्ब विल बी चेंज इनटू फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ठीक है. व्हेन की फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्या होती है? गो. एंड देन टू स्कूल येस्टरडे. द सेम सेंटेंस विल बी देयर. आई एम रीडिंग रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस. यू हैव टू मेक देम, चेंज देम इनटू नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. जस्ट लाइक सी हियर, दे एट लंच एट द कैफेटेरिया. ठीक है. दे के बाद क्या लग जाएगा? डिड नॉट. एंड व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ एट? फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ एट विल बी कमिंग, दैट इज ईट. ठीक है. माई सिस्टर played basketball with her friends. My sister के बाद which helping verb will be there? Do, does or did. You have to keep this in your mind, and it will be played or play. ठीक है, just make this sentence. I read a newspaper on the train. This is not read, this is the second form of verb, so this is pronounced as read. I did not, then first form of verb will be there. Fine. Okay, it rained last week. So after it, what will be there? Helping verb, did not, and then first form of verb will be there. ठीक है. I felt sick, so I saw a doctor. I, then helping verb, and not, and then first form of verb, and then rest of the sentence will be same. Okay, I guess grade 5 your concept of tenses, present, past and future tense must have been cleared. You people do a very good preparation for the exam and take a very good care of your health. And then Allah Hafiz from my side.